Good morning, dear students and parents. This is the homework for this week. I hope you're doing it great with these quarantine times. I hope you see you soon in the school. In the page 108, we got listen to the conversation track 22. You need to answer the questions with complete sentences. In the first sentence it says, what is the name of the pharmacy? In the audio, you're going to hear Smith's Pharmacy, okay? And you're going to answer all the three questions. In the second, it says, listen to the radio commercial track 23, circle the correct answer. You're going to hear a radio commercial, and you need to answer these questions, okay? In the number one, the radio commercial advertises says, pills, cough syrup, or flu shot. It says pills, okay? In the page 109, you got these two activities, okay? And the first one says you need to answer the questions in your portfolio, okay? Like, for example, do you think these remedies were really crazy? Personally, I think yes, it was very crazy. And for this activity, you're going to create a colorful timeline with the information about the headache remedies. In the page 110, you're going to make a survey in your house. Ask your parents and brothers, fill in the square with the answers of your family. Like in this example, do you exercise? I usually go running. Do you go running? I run 3 times a week in the morning. Those are the questions that you need to do to your family and answer in the square, okay? In the page 111, you're going to make a list of sugary foods that you consume in your home and in the school. Like, for example, in your house, you drink sodas or you eat candies or fruit. That's all are sugary foods. The exercise number 2, you're going to make a bar graph with the quantity of sugary food and drinks you can eat in every place. Like, for example, in your house or in your home. How many sugary foods you eat? As you can see, eating healthy is not an impossible challenge. You just have to be more organized and disciplined. If I can do it, you can do it. You can eat very healthy in these quarantine times, okay? Do not eat so much sugary food. In the page 157, you're going to listen to conversation track 22 again and number the sentences in the correct order. Like, for example, what is the first sentence you can hear in the track 22? This one. Welcome to Smith Pharmacy. Can I help you? In the activity 2, we got listen to the radio commercial track 23. Put a check mark next to the words mentioned, like pills. That word is mentioned on the track, okay? And these are all the pages for this week. If you have questions or doubts, you can text me at the platform message or by my mail, okay? Have a nice week, guys.